ginamit sa akin is yung regular type of chin implant. So that time bagay pa siya sa akin kasi hindi pa gaano matangos ang ilong ko noon. But after rhinoplasty, medyo naging dehado yung chin ko. So this time, I decided that I would change my implant to an extended type para mas masculine and mas defined ang chin area ko. So I went to my mentor, Dr. Romeo Bato at RVP Medical Group sa Las Piñas City. So after assisting him on the operating room, ako nang naging pasyente niya. So ayun, less than 30 minutes, tapos ng OR. So for comparison, tingnan niyo yung picture na to, which is yung previous implant pang gamit or yung regular type of implant, and compared to now sa extended implant. So now, mas harmonized na yung chin ko in relation to our new nose. So mas bagay na siya ngayon. So right now, I want to thank my mentor, Dr. Romeo Bato, for my extended chin implant. If you want to see more of Dr. Romeo Bato's work, follow him at RVP Medical Group in Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. So makikita nyo mga body contouring, facial surgeries, katulad sa akin, ng chin augmentation. So nandun lahat sa page.